With all the lucky charm that I do have here, ito, kailangan na kailangan mo. Bakit? This one is an evil eye pyramid crystal. Itong evil eye pyramid crystal na to, this one will going to eliminate negative energy, yung mga naghahangad sa inyo na masama. Those people who are trying to attract negative energy towards you, kasi naiinggit sila sa iyo, hindi kayo matatablan. Okay? Once you will going to have this will going to block the evil eye. Yung mga taong naghahangad ng masama sa inyo, nagdadasal ng ikakabagsak ninyo. Okay? So, this will going to eliminate or block that energy para hindi kayo matablan. Ito dapat na nakaharap sa inyong mga main door. So, i-display nyo, nakaharap sa inyong main door itong ating pyramid crystal na evil eye. So, kung meron naman kayong tindahan or business establishment nakaharap sa customers ninyo para to eliminate negative energy, yung mga tao may hangad na masama para sa inyong mga businesses, it will going to block that. Okay? So, para safe, protection. Okay? Itong ating evil eye crystal na pyramid na stone. So, if you want to purchase this specific crystal pyramid evil eye na stone, i-click nyo ang yellow basket kasi nakalagay dyan. Cash on delivery po ito ngayon. Wala kayong babayaran ngayon. You will just going to pay once you will going to receive it. And this will going to attract as well abundance, prosperity, wealth. All your manifestations will come through once you are going to touch this on a daily basis. On a daily basis, just touch this. Okay? Hawakan nyo. Click the yellow basket para kayo makapag-purchase.